Wagwan guys, I know there are a lot of platforms online that people try to make money from, but many of these platforms don't even allow people from countries like Nigeria, other African countries. But in this video, we will quickly discuss 50 real platforms I can beat my chest on and confirm to you that people in countries like Nigeria genuinely are earning from right now. And I have used many of these platforms myself. So if you try out anyone for yourself and it doesn't work for you, you may want to try another. It may just not just be suitable for you or match maybe like the skills you have or the exposure you have to information. Yeah, that's one good thing I do on this channel. So if you're new to this channel, you're welcome. If you are old, you already know I give value. So the first thing I would advise before we go into this is that you should have your means of withdrawal. So if you don't have a domiciliary account, you can walk up to a bank and create a domiciliary account. So how do we go about this? Like, to make this, because I'm talking about 50 platforms and I want to be as fast as possible, I will say the name and tell you why you might want to try them. For example, if you're a designer, you want to hear the names of maybe like 99 Design, Dribble, Behance, Design Crowd, CrowdSpring, Design Contest, Everto Elements, and Shutterstock and Adobe Stock. These are confirmed ways that I am beating my chest to saying that yeah, people earn from. You might not know the way around, but just note them. And yes, people in Nigeria actually withdraw from this platform. I keep emphasizing this because that's the whole point of this video. So if you are into quick gigs that you like, maybe like some to do small jobs and small tasks online, of course you know of Fiverr.com, you know people per hour. People think only Fiverr and Upwork exist, but there's people per hour and people actually earn from people per hour. There are platforms like Contra, there are platforms like Guru, there are platforms like TopTa. Yeah, there are fewer Nigerians that make money on these platforms, but yes, Nigerians make money on this platform. And of course Upwork, you know, I have made like several thousands of dollars on Upwork. So if you are a writer, it's best you try out platforms like Amazon, KDP, Kobo Writing Live. Then there's Good Novel, there's Writer Access, there's Skyward. You should try that out. Nigerians are cashing out from this site, I am 100% sure. Then you can also try out Substack and Medium. I earn on Medium. You can publish an ebook on Amazon KDP. People are actually cashing out. I know a lady, all she does is Amazon KDP. For most of these things, sometimes it's not as easy as just signing up to the website and expecting to make money. Like, you need to seek knowledge in each of these specific platform deeply, and that's why like I just want to open you up to all of them first. So you might want to serialize on Good Novel and build a paid newsletter on Substack. You can just choose the route that fits your lifestyle. So if you are into talks, you have good voice, or you are opinionated and you like to share your opinion, maybe you might want to try out audio podcast. Use platforms like Anchor and Pocket FM. These are good options. Nigerians actually cash out from these two platforms. Then you can also distribute to Spotify. There are many alternative ways to make more money. Honestly, you can't do all, but it's good you listen to this kind of conversation to the end, so you can you might learn of just one platform that will be it for you. See, one platform can change your life, just one. If you make video and you're convenient, maybe like with making video facing the camera, you start creating long form, not short form videos on YouTube. Long form videos on YouTube actually get you to money making faster. I spoke with someone, I think some 3 weeks ago. She has over 100,000 subscribers and she has been given the silver plate, but her channel doesn't make one she because all our contents are actually short. People actually create UK TikTok account and then create Nigerian content. But after the creation, it doesn't really require VPN and all. I think I've talked about how to get foreign number for things like that on this channel, and I've talked about how to get free RDPs. Definitely we'll talk about Meta. Facebook is actually coming up and it pays creators through in-stream ads and stars, you know. Don't sleep on Patreon and Ko-Fi. If you have a loyal audience, you might want to try out this platform for your fans to support you directly. And you know, yeah, recently I've actually made a lot of microtasks and AI work videos. So if you are into or you are interested in microtasks, Appen is cool. So there's also Toloka. When I tried Toloka, they've not actually improved this much then, but I think that was maybe like some 3 years ago. And of course I've mentioned one former. So these are the kind of gigs where you actually do small tasks, data labeling and testing, and people in Nigeria work in the global community, and people in Nigeria have been confirmed to get paid from them. So if you want customer support, remote tech roles, there is this platform Telos actually hires remotely sometimes and pay internationally. Nigerians have actually benefited from this, confirmed. For consulting and higher end freelance work, then you can try Catalant. Or there's this one also, Latin Hire, they are also worth considering. If you would like to sell products, you have options like Shopify with Paystack or Flutterwave integration. Seller is a good one, and Seller is actually very easy. Just go to seller.com. You can create an account and put your digital product. Maybe you want to sell information on something you know how to do. Maybe you wrote something about maybe snail farming. I sell my consultation service for Upwork and some other things on Seller. You'll find the link on my Upwork videos. Okay. And there's also Etsy. Like the first time I met someone who told me she earns on Etsy from Nigeria, and digital downloads, and the Amazon marketplace for physical goods. I made a video about Amazon FBA on this channel. You can look for it and check it out if that interests you. Seller is actually a great place if you want to sell maybe ebooks, you want to sell your courses in Nigeria, digital downloads to Nigeria, and you want to get paid in Naira. Yeah, some of my products on Seller, like people pay in dollar, I can withdraw it in Naira. Shopify skills, if you want a proper store and local payment rail. I had a mentee who is into teaching. She teach phonetics. So she's trying out platforms like Udemy. There's also Thinkific. There's also Teachable and Skillshare that let you package your knowledge and withdraw earnings via Payoneer, PayPal, and other platforms. So don't sleep on it. You can make your research. Then some of these things, like if some of these platforms, let's talk about the platforms that don't allow Nigerians. There are always backdoors that people that people use. So Nigerians still earn from them regardless. So for stock and asset sales, I already mentioned that you can use Shutterstock and Adobe Stock, but Evato is also a huge place for templates and themes. So there are a few other platforms I want you to know. I just want to be sure I mentioned all the platforms. People Per Hour, Guru, Topta, Upwork, Amazon KDP, Anchor, Andela, Appen, Behance, Catalant, Contra, Crowdspring, Dribble, Etsy, Envato, Fiverr, Good Novel, AdSense, Akmamba. I didn't mention Akmamba before now. There's also Umantic, Handshake AI, Kobo Writing Live, Latin Hire, Luel AI, Metal, Nest, Outlier, People Per Hour, Pocket FM, Shopify, Skyward, TaxRabbit. There are ways to go about that. Telox, Thinkific, TikTok, of course, Toloka, Topta, Upwork, We Localize, Writer Access, YouTube, and yes, I think I've mentioned about 50 platforms in this conversation. So you can check them all out. You can all check out the ones that actually catch your attention, that catches your fancy. So now I want you to hear this clearly. Please don't put all your hope on one platform. Try one or two simultaneously, or as time permits you. Like some of them can actually take you time setting up, but once you set them up, they are good teas. So if you find this video valuable in any form, don't forget to like and subscribe, and tell me in the comments which platform you will try out first. So I would like to see you win, and see you in the next video.